So this weekend is my birthday weekend, and today is Friday. So I'm gonna be taking it pretty easy because I've got some plans. I'm gonna be going camping, riding dirt bikes, side-by-sides, all the things that I love to celebrate my birthday over the weekend. But for today, I've gotta get ready and prepped for next week, so that way I'm ready to go. Let's do some work.
This video is brought to you by True Tech Tools, quality tools, essential support. And by RLS. RLS press fittings let you make a permanent and reliable mechanical connection in just 10 seconds without the need for brazing. The RLS press fittings were specifically designed and engineered for use in high-pressure HVAC and refrigeration systems. They are fully registered and listed to UL 207 for pressures up to 700 psi. For more information, go to rapidlockingsystem.com.
All right, so what we need to do first is get the trailer completely cleaned out because we're gonna be picking up some sheet metal today. We're actually gonna be picking up 10 sheets. I've got a duct job that we have to make some rectangle duct for next week. So anyhow, we gotta get all this cleaned out so that way they can load it up in here and we'll have plenty of room. So check out this backpack. This was from the HVAC Tactical Awards. This past, January, beginning of February in Las Vegas at AHR. So this was their first awards in person, and everyone that attended got a backpack full of goodies from all the sponsors, as you can see there. So obviously I had mine, and I was headed to go there. And the family got sick, so we had to turn around and go home. So we didn't actually make it, but I still got the bag with all the goodies in it, so which is pretty cool. I really like that bag. So if you guys are going to be going to AHR in Atlanta this coming year, I recommend you guys get your tickets to the HVAC Tactical Award Show. Did a mini split yesterday. Who likes to go golfing? All right, so we got pretty much everything cleaned out. Just gotta get rid of some trash and go drop this unit off at the scrap yard. I'm gonna give you a quick little update on my setup here. I installed this rack system, if you will. So it utilizes the vertical E-channel, and these are the Milwaukee pack-out mounts. They're designed to go into the tracking. So I've got 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And now what I'm doing is I have all these boxes that I can get to, and they're all labeled. So like that's all my SDS drill, bandsaw, angle grinder, and all the accessories I need for that. So I can just grab that box if I need to go that way. RLS, metal shear, PVC cutter, nail gun. So I've got everything I need in that box. So this is all tools basically. And we got saw, jigsaw, sawzall, multi-tool, mini split kit. I'll show you this box in a later video. It's pretty cool. And you can't read what's at the bottom right now, but I think that's some other tools that are down there as well. And then, so I did this on purpose to where this was off the ground to where this big dolly can slide underneath. I can strap it to where it doesn't move, and that's where it lives, right? Looks good. And then I have this wire rack that I utilize when we're on the jobs. So basically what I did, I just slid it on top. So it's being supported by this part of the dolly. So the weight of it is on the dolly itself. And then I just have this little strap on here to keep it from sliding back off. But that way the whole wire assembly is not on the ground. So that's what I'm trying to get away from. So like those lights down there, I'm going to end up taking those lights. We're going to mount those up here. But yeah, I'm trying to get everything off the ground. So you're not, tripping and falling and stepping on things all the time. And plus it's a smooth floor as of now. So everything just slides around. So I don't want that. And then I completed my setup here. So I got 3 drawers on the bottom, the 2 drawers on the top, and a total of 6 crates. And then I got a couple of these pack out trays, which are really nice. This one's set up for cleaning, and this one is set up for just when you're on the job and you need to throw whatever you need to do the job in there and carry it with you, crawl space, attic, whatever. These things are awesome. And I started the process of labeling everything. So we got drop cloths, tape, duct mud, PVC, silicone. These are all the electrical fittings, seal tight fittings, things like that. So trying to get everything all nice and organized. So still got some more room in there. But yeah, it's basically what I'm working with. This one's extension cords. This one's all the strapping, duct strapping, metal strap, cloth strap, things like that. So as of right now, these are empty. This is all my duct tools. I haven't labeled it yet. This is where I keep all my sheet metal duct tools. And then just random tools in here, hammers, things like that. So still a work in progress. Just a little update on kind of what I've been doing with this. And right now the bottom 3 drawers empty, the 2 drawer is empty. So we're just figuring out what we want in here as we're working and just organizing it along the way. So far we did a ductless install yesterday. We did this change out a couple of days prior, and just having everything organized and labeled, you know, in this rack system with all my tools. So that way, if I want to grab out that bottom one, I don't have to remove all of these just to get to that bottom one. I can just disconnect the bottom one, go take it onto the job and do what I got to do. So works out really nice. Very happy with the progress of this so far. So this is going to be constantly changing, but I've been kind of focusing on the front of the trailer, and then I'll start working my way backwards on adding more and more things. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Have a good day.
You too. I'm buying lunch today. What's up, dude?
What's up?
That's my old trailer right there. It's got my old, there she is. Damn, boy, you look like you worked out of this thing.
Sometimes.
So this thing's pretty heavy, guys. You mind just picking it up real quick and throwing it in the trailer?
Yeah, sure.
You got it? This thing's heavy, dude. So maybe here? Yeah. Don't look at your back though, dude. Like, keep your back straight. You gotta squat. Yeah. You ready? There you go, brother.
Thank you.
Appreciate you, dude. Check you later, man. We're gonna go play with some metal now.
Have fun.
All right. You gonna go play some metal? All right. So now we got the sheet metal brake on the trailer. Pretty excited about that. I'm glad to have a 4-foot brake again. And I really like that particular one because, for one, it's super heavy duty. It allows us to make pans, custom pans. So that's something I'll be using all the time. But I'm not going to keep this one on the trailer this go around. I'm actually going to keep it at the shop, and it's going to be specifically designed to make sheet metal fittings and whatnot whenever I'm doing jobs ahead of time. And then I'm going to grab the Malco 4-foot portable brake, and that will live on the trailer. So that way, if we're making anything out in the field, we have a light portable brake on the trailer as well. So I think that's going to work out pretty good. But now we're going to head to Nashville and pick up 10 sheets of 4x8 sheet metal. All right, so they're going to be putting the sheet metal on a 10-foot pallet. So we got to make sure we got 10 feet nice and square here for them to be able to put it in here. So pretty sure we're going to be good though. That should not be in the way. We just need to move those two things, push that up front. We should be good. So, as you can see, they busted out the lower part of the ramp. Luckily, it's just wood, and I can just get a new hinge. But yeah, they tore it all up. No big deal. Swap that out, get it all fixed. Well, that kind of sucks. The guy apparently didn't realize that there was a ramp there, so he just ran right up on it and broke the little hinged piece, the flap that comes down to make it a smooth transition into the trailer. So thankfully it's not that big of a deal. It's just a small piano hinge. The wood is still fine. I can still use that. So I just got to go get a new piano hinge. But it was funny, right as he was about to come up, like within a foot, I had thought I better tell him that he better stop because, you know, there's the ramp. He can only go so far. But it just split second, it happened so fast, and bam, ran right onto it. But oh well, that's the way life goes sometimes. You just gotta roll with the punches. But that's gonna complete today's video. We're pretty much ready to start cutting some metal up, getting things bent, and fabricating this rectangle duct. But that's gonna be for a later date. We're actually gonna peel off and go play some golf and just enjoy the rest of our Friday. And then I'm gonna get prepped for the weekend, for the camping and the riding. So just looking forward to doing all that. Really hope you guys enjoyed the video. You got something out of it. Hit the thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Until next time, see you guys later. Woo!